Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we have a really awesome unboxing and we got the brand new Hot Wheel RLC McLaren F1. I'm really excited to bust this thing open and check it out. And yes, I'm actually going to be doing a unboxing, pulling it out of the box, and we're going to check it out. It does have working doors, so we're going to check those out, lift them up and everything. But actually, before we get started in that, I do want to mention I'm still doing a giveaway on my merch store right now, and I'm giving away this Hot Wheel 2024 Collector Edition Nissan Silvia. This thing looks so amazing. It even has like real rider tires, all metal body, Spectraflame paint. It's pretty much like an RLC car, but a collector edition car, and it looks absolutely amazing. So I'm giving this away on my merch store, but definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below to see how to pick up one of these. But also I have a lot of brand new Hot Wheels on there from some brand new cases that just came out, and also I'm going to have a few of these on there as well. So if you guys are interested, definitely go pick up one of these, and you automatically get entered with multiple entries into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. And I'm going to be careful with this one. This is the one I plan on collecting for my personal self. So, there we go. But I still want to be very careful with it. Man, the pictures of this looked absolutely amazing. So I'm excited to take it out of the box, which it's a little firm in here. There we go. Alright, so that's the back side, and that's what the front looks like. And that looks really, really awesome. It has the F1 logo there. There's the text on the back if you guys want to pause and read that. It should be legible. But that is really cool, and I'm excited to open this up and check it out. So here we go. Wow, that looks absolutely amazing. Finished in that really nice Spectraflame orange. And man, that looks really, really cool. I just love the way that looks. Man, Hot Wheels did a great job with making this F1 look so good and so detailed. Man, everything about it looks really amazing. Gosh. I'm like actually kind of like afraid to open this up now, but I am also really excited to be able to open it up and check it out, especially with like the way the doors open. Man, okay, let's before we get any further than this, I don't want to mess anything up. So I actually have these Hot Wheels Arsham gloves, which are pretty cool. And I'm going to put these on so don't fingerprint anything, so don't scratch anything up. I want to keep the clear protective case kind of unfingerprinted. Like I said, this is the one I plan on keeping and displaying, so I want to make it where it's in still great condition. So this does have little tabs that sometimes you can easily kind of pop them open. There we go. Alright, and then let's just get the other side out. Alright, so let me go ahead and just carefully set that aside. And wow, that looks amazing. So now you can see it a lot better up close. Man, that looks so good. And I love that Spectraflame paint, the way it just kind of shines like that. Man, what an amazing car. Even like the back end looks amazing. Even has a little F1 logo there on the back. Man, that is so cool. Even like the little detail in the top. Alright, let's go ahead and I'm not sure if they're going to be firm or not, but I do want to open up the doors. And okay, I guess it is a little firm. And look at that, the door goes right up, and it does stay. Okay, so that's really nice. That is amazing. A Hot Wheel car that actually has working doors that go up. Man. And it even has a really detailed interior. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, it's really hard to see it from there. But the McLaren F1 was famous for having a central driving seat. So you can kind of see the steering wheel right there in the middle. And then there's a seat on either side that sits back a little bit. So they did actually add all three of the seats in there. Alright, let me go ahead and open up the other door. There we go. Okay, actually didn't have the other door open all the way. It's really delicate, so I'm kind of afraid to do much with it, but that's with both of the doors opened up. You can kind of see some of the interior there. There you go. You can see that center seat with the brown, and then the little back seat sits back a little bit. But that looks so cool with both of the doors opened up. That is amazing. I really, really love that. Hot Wheels did such an amazing job with this car. But definitely put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this. But like I said, I do have a couple of these available on my merch store. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. So what I will do is I'm actually going to open them up, not fully, but I'm just going to like cut the tape, double check to make sure that everything with like the case, there's like no major cracks or no kind of visible damages. But wow, this is a really cool car, and man, you guys are going to love this. Man, I absolutely love that. But like I said, put down in the comments down below what you guys think of this McLaren F1, and like, I really don't know what else to say about it. Like, this is absolutely phenomenal. If you guys are interested, the bottom of the thing is actually really plain. But, boom, there we go. I'm actually curious to see what it would look like if we were to... Oh, the doors actually go out, so you can't really put the top back on with the doors up. But I'm wondering if I can kind of put the doors down a little bit, if it would still allow me to put this case kind of back on. Almost, yeah. You can kind of have the doors up, but not fully with the little case on. So that's a little too bad, but I mean the doors do kind of go out and up and not straight up. So that's definitely understandable. But if you guys did like this video, definitely put down in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think of this McLaren F1. I also have some other cars coming that are going to be absolutely crazy, including a Pagani where the whole back end comes off the car. So definitely stay tuned and check that out when it goes live. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on that video, as well as a bunch of others that I do have coming very, very soon. And you guys, I think, are going to absolutely love them. I have Hot Wheel case unboxings coming all the time, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on those as well. And I have YouTube shorts every single day that go live, and those are really fun, really awesome. And you guys can even like request certain cars, and I'll try to throw those in some upcoming races. But like I said, don't forget, there's going to be a link in the description down below. Go check out my merch store. I have all kinds of Hot Wheels on there, and even some really awesome like brand new Hot Wheels, and even some Hot Wheels that haven't even come out in stores yet. So definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys did like the video, go down and hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already, because you do not want to miss out on some awesome upcoming videos I have. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.